Welcome to Intra, your go-to channel for everything digital. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing? Simply put, digital marketing is the use of online channels to promote products, services, or brands. It includes a wide range of tactics such as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, PPC, affiliate marketing, email marketing, online PR, and influencer marketing. Let's briefly break down each component. Search engine optimization, or SEO, enhancing your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. Content marketing, creating valuable content to attract and retain your audience. Social media marketing, using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with your audience. Pay-per-click or PPC, paying for each click on your online ads, commonly using platforms like Google Ads. Affiliate marketing, rewarding affiliates for driving traffic or sales through their marketing efforts. Email marketing, sending commercial messages via email to your subscribers. Online PR, securing online coverage through digital publications and blogs. Influencer marketing, partnering with influencers to promote your brand to their followers. Digital marketing offers many benefits over traditional marketing. It's cost-effective, allows for direct audience interaction, provides measurable results, and reaches a global audience. Here are a few tips to get started. Define your goals. Know what you want to achieve, be it brand awareness, sales, or traffic. Identify your target audience. Understand who they are and what they need. Choose the right channels. Focus on where your audience is most active. Create quality content. Ensure your content is valuable and engaging. Analyze and adapt. Use analytics to track performance and adjust your strategies. Thanks for tuning into Intrapulse. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more digital insights. Have questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. See you next time.